is a beautiful sunny day and I am back vlogging in my car. I literally don't understand why I shower every time I leave the house before I have like appointments and stuff, because 99.9% of the time I end up rushing and I am just a sweaty mess before I get to my appointment. But anyway, hi guys. I know I mentioned in my last vlog that I am heading on a trip and I didn't share where, but this video is all about the prep. My brother Sahil and I are actually doing our first sibling-only trip to New York, and I'm so excited. So I'm just getting some of my appointments done and out of the way, you know, a little self-care pampering moment. Gotta look cute for the content in New York. Sahil is 5 years younger than me, but we are still very close. I actually asked for a sibling for Christmas, a brother specifically, the year before he was born, and he was born on Christmas Eve. My parents and Santa's people clearly had a chat. I'm so proud of Sahil. Not only is he a friend, but he's obviously my younger brother, and I honestly see him as my child at times. First stop of the day is actually the nail salon. I'm just about to pull up. My nails are looking a mess, but I think I'm just gonna do something cute and short. I'm thinking about like maybe a funky design. I just want my nails to be functional while we're traveling. I do actually have quite a few makeup bookings coming up, so I always just feel a little better with short nails. I feel like it's just more sanitary and I think clients feel a little more comfortable. I spoke too soon. I said I'm pulling up, but I've actually never been to this nail place before, so I don't even know where it is. And my GPS said I'm here, but like, I'm not. For reference, here is the before. My nails are obviously really grown out, but I'm so proud of them. Before, my nails would be so weak and they would never even grow to this point, so it's really nice to see that most of them have hung on, and I haven't even been taking my vitamins. Well, that did not go to plan at all. Long story short, I was very quickly disappointed. Mainly because I checked out this place based on the recommendation of a very good friend who always has killer nails when she gets them done from here. I just hate being that person telling people how to do their work. I don't like it at all, but obviously, one, when you're going in for something specific, and two, you are paying money for something. You know, you want it to be done to your satisfaction. I just constantly had to keep directing the nail tech to shape my nails a certain way and cut them a certain length, and every time I was instructing her to do so, it just like was not happening. So I just felt like I was nagging the whole appointment. Also, I walked out with these. First of all, I'm not a blue nail girl, and the intention was not to have like 10 fingers of blue sparkly nails, but I was just in such a time crunch, and given that I leave in a couple days and I don't really have the most open schedule for the next few days, it was either I just was gonna get my shellac taken off and walk out with naked nails, or walk out with something on them. And I don't know if I made a good decision walking out with these. Like, these are kind of giving me, I painted my nails as a 6-year-old with Claire's nail polish vibes. And I don't know if I want to be going to New York with these. However, Y2K fashion is back in style, and I mean, people do all kinds of things in New York. I don't really know what to expect for the next appointment. I'm trying someone new for lashes. While we're here, here is a quick reference point of what the lashes are looking like as a before. Very sad, we've got some stragglers over here from the last time I had lashes. I'm so ready for a nice new fluffy set. Now this is in line with my expectations. I'm really happy with how the lashes turned out. I actually tried a new style as well as a new lash tech today. If you care, I usually go for doll eyes, but I tried a cat eye look this time and I'm really into them. I think the length is perfect, the drama is perfect, and honestly, I'm not too mad about the nails anymore. Now that I'm back home and the errands for the day are complete, I absolutely need to eat. I am so freaking famished. I have not eaten all day. All I had was a coffee, and it is now 5 o'clock, so I'm treating myself with a chun chun matzo dog. I just got some hot sauce, sweet chili, and a little bit of sugar sprinkled on top. I'm a big like sweet and spicy gal, so this is very much my jam. No cheese pull, unfortunately, but so freaking good. That crunch though. I'm gonna enjoy this and get to some emails before the day closes off, and I will check back in with you as the New York prep continues. Good morning from me and my skincare crown. This is honestly like a getup that I wear past the point of skincare. I've been spending the morning just doing things around the condo and getting my life in check. Got some cleaning done and just some condo organization done. I do have to use some of these things from IKEA and then return some of them. I don't know if it's gonna happen before New York. We actually have to be at the airport by like 4 a.m. and we wanted to hit the ground running as soon as we land. So I do have a lot of like content deliverables and creative work that's due as soon as I'm back, kind of while I'm away as well as a lot of client work on the makeup side, on the wedding side. And I don't want to come back just feeling super paranoid and panicked and chaotic. I want to make sure I have things organized before I leave so that I come back to peace and calmness. By the way, this is literally my best friend. I have this mini vacuum out with me all the time. I was initially thinking of getting like a larger vacuum when we moved here, but this mini vacuum is a godsend and I have that literally on me all the time when I'm home. While I was doing my cleaning, I crossed off those little annoying tasks that you have to do pre-travel, like when it comes to a credit card or your phone company. Also looked into booking our antigen test. But yeah, that's the morning check-in. I will keep you guys posted as I get more things crossed off my to-do list and the prep continues. Hey y'all, it's the next day and I had a couple clients really early this morning, so once I was done with their makeup and hair, I came back, took a mini nap because I didn't get much sleep last night. After I got up, we took it easy for a bit. We actually tried Kettleman's for the first time and I did a first impressions on my TikTok, so check that out. I won't spoil it for you in case you are interested in trying it yourself. And then we got to some cleaning, hence the crazy bed. And now I am actually prepping to head out. I'm gonna be staying at my parents' tonight and Sahil and I are going to the airport from there. Sahil and I are thinking of challenging ourselves to only take carry-ons. I feel like it's gonna be harder obviously for me given that girls always overpack. I feel like that's just a girl thing. Correct me if I'm wrong. So join me as I pack. I'm not gonna show you every little thing that I pack. However, because you guys already saw these pieces, I'm thinking of taking these bottoms from my last video that you might have seen, as well as the couple things that came in from Wildflow Studio. So if you want to see how I style everything that I pack or what the fits end up being, make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok because you'll be seeing lots of that there. I threw my hair in a little claw clip just to look a little bit more put together. I mean, I don't know if it does. I really need to wash it, but that's all happening later tonight. I also am kind of struggling because I don't really know what to pack. I want to pack a little bit extra, mainly for content purposes, just to grab some cool pictures and stuff while I'm in New York. But a couple things. One, obviously I'm aiming to take a carry-on. And two, I'm not too sure how the weather's gonna be because it's looking like it's gonna be cloudy, potentially very windy, and maybe even rain, which is not the vibe.
What's up?
We have a new cameraman in town, ladies and gents. Get used to seeing this face on camera because we have a lot of content coming your way. Today has been just a crazy day of running around. Wow, thank you so much for this camera work. Now we're just headed home, gonna wrap up our packing, tie up any loose ends, and get ready to hit the hay somewhat early if possible because we have to be at the airport by 4:30 a.m. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hello friends, I'm back in my room at my parents' place. It's around 9:15 and you're getting this angle because this is the situation of my room. I haven't spent the night in a very long time and anytime I've come by I've been on a very tight time crunch. What's new? So I've always just come in here with a mission, hence the tornado that seems to have hit. But I'm gonna get some cleaning done tonight. I feel like I need to get my life in check a little bit before I can head to bed. I have this killer packing list that I've built out from previous trips, so I always just kind of like duplicate that note and reuse. So I'm gonna go through that, make sure I have everything, and also just try and get some work done because I think tomorrow is just gonna be a tough day to get anything done given the travel and just getting settled in, you know? Gosh, there is no feeling quite as good as having freshly washed hair, clean skin, good skincare, and comfy pajamas. It is now 1:30. I have a ton of work to do still, not so much like trip and packing oriented, just more so working ahead so that I'm actually able to enjoy the next few days. And though a lot of it is going to be work related, it's still gonna be nice to not have to worry about having my laptop out with me all the time, trying to get some of that stuff done. But what I wanted to show you guys while I choose to be nocturnal tonight is something really sweet that Sile got me. So he went to this place called Vintage Charm, and he actually got me, I think it's 16 karat gold, but he got me this handmade ring. It's like a hammered style gold ring, and it is adjustable, and he got a matching one for my mom. He got this for her for Mother's Day, but he wanted to get me one too, and I just think that's so sweet. Cute, right? Anyway, while I want to pull an all-nighter, because I seem to do this every time I have a flight to catch, I just cannot fall asleep. Mind you, I did not even have coffee today, so I'm very confused, and I have been up since 4 o'clock because I had clients this morning. So I don't want to destroy our first day in New York, given that we are arriving just in time to get our day started. I'm crossing my fingers and hoping that we have no delays, no issues with any of that stuff, and I'm gonna try to get some sleep. If I don't, you will probably see me very soon. But regardless, you'll see me soon, whether I don't sleep tonight or I do, and I will check in with you guys when we're ready to head to New York City, baby! Update. If it's not obvious, I fell asleep. It is now time to get ready because we fly out in 3 hours. So let's change, freshen up, and get ready to head to the airport. I can't wait. We got here at around 4:30. It's 6 o'clock and we just got to our gate. Lines to check in and go through security and all of that were just so insane. But we are here ready for our sibling trip.
Do I do beef jerky at like 5 in the morning, or do I do...
It's honestly probably a good option because crispers are just air. Breakfast of champions. Let's see how this $10 drink tastes. Like Pediasure?
Pediasure's good.
Silo was a Pediasure kid. Verdict?
It's like vanilla milk.
So, our flight got slightly delayed, but it's not that bad. We were supposed to fly out by 6:45 instead of 6:30, so fingers crossed that that's the last delay. And yeah, Sile and I had teriyaki beef jerky and a vanilla protein shake for breakfast because we're champs, and it was also $1 million for that. The sun is shining, we are in the sky, and I think we're like 15 minutes away from New York, which is super exciting. Sile's made himself very comfortable. Got some tomato juice, apple juice, Biscoff, the works. So I was trying to act like such a champ at home. I am exhausted. I see lots of caffeine in our future. We made it! 6 years later for me, and how long? 9 years. Feels good to be back. So we've officially made it. We got our bags and we're gonna head to our hotel. So I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. But remember, there's a lot more content on the way. There's a lot of tea to spill because it's pretty clear that a lot of you don't know the history, which is totally fine. We're gonna share that in the next video. So tune into that. Thanks for keeping us company and traveling with us. I'm so excited to hang out with you in New York.